This is the way the polytunnel looks in the mid-August, mid to late August. And as you see, lots of tomatoes, peppers, and lots of herbs, chive, coriander, parsley, dill, sorrel, lots of seedlings of the radishes and endive and chicory and basil, a lot of as you see there, lots of tarragon, and some of the plants I'll let them to go to seed, like that one in the middle that you see. That's the coriander is going to seed, so I will keep the seed for growing through the year. And everything looks not bad, as you can see. Hallelujah. We have now germination of all the seeds that I saw in this side. These are the lettuce mix, these are the radishes, very old seeds. That's the old seed of radish again. Chicory and endive, all germinated. And also even that one. And this one, a little bit late, but we will see. Some of it has germinated, as you can see. And some of the others are waiting yet. So we will see how it will develop. Beautiful salad leaves have germinated here.